You ever wonder how they fold those animal shapes out of these towels? We're going to start with the elephant. The feet and the body aren't that complicated. Roll up equally on each side of the towel, so you'll have two rolls kind of connected in the middle. Most of the animals will use this base for their body and their legs. Fold this in half and you've got the body. Now comes the tricky part. Kind of like origami or making a paper airplane. This has got a double fold for the trunk. Once we roll it in tight, we'll pull it down to get the ears. The head's starting to take shape. We'll roll up the trunk to give it that curve. Pull down the ears, stretch everything out. You can start to see that elephant now. That tight roll on the trunk will keep that arc. The two pieces will get assembled now. Those two tabs will come down and tuck in. Now you can see it coming together. A few adjustments and we got an elephant. You can put on a few eyeball stickers. This will add a lot to it. Origami with towels. Now that the elephant's done, the penguin is next. You can see those little eyeball stickers add a lot to it. There's three little towels on this penguin. Fold up a triangle, roll it up from the back, and then fold it in half. This little tip will be the beak. Got to make sure everything's nice and tight and defined. The next triangle will become the body. Wrap it up on both sides. Tuck it in, make sure it's nice and tight. Take the one end and tuck it in. The bottom portion of the towel will pull up to make its tail. It'll also allow it to sit flat. Roll both tabs up. I know at this point everybody's running to grab their towels so they can try this. The two remaining flaps will make the feet, and the part that's really going to make it look like a penguin are the flappy wings. Take the triangle and we'll wrap it around the body, put the little eyeballs on. Now we can take that third towel and wrap it around. The tips will be the flappy wings. Set it up and we got a really cute little penguin. This dog or moose will be next. The feet and the body are pretty similar. Roll it up similar to the other ones. Fold the body in half. Pull up the end on each foot. When you pull everything apart, you're going to hold onto those ends. It's going to create a web in between. The web adds stability. The next towel will be the head of the dog or the moose. I'm not sure what it is. Fold the towel in half and then similar to a paper airplane. Tuck down the little tip. Roll the two ends inward. Continue the roll on each side. We'll turn it around and then peel it like a banana. These will become those flappy ears. We can just place the head of the animal onto the body. Still not sure what it is. It's cute. What do you guys think? The next one is the most complicated. It's the giraffe. There's going to be some tight tucking. There's going to be some rubber bands. The body and the legs are similar to all the other ones. Because the giraffe's got a long neck, it's going to take a whole towel just for the neck. The head of the giraffe will be folded first, folded in half, and then like a paper airplane. Twist and pull. Ears and the nose, that was pretty intense. Just kind of pull and tug those ears out a bit. Use a rubber band to tighten up everything. Gotta say, that does look like a giraffe. The next towel is gonna be that long neck, body, and the tail. Once it's all rolled around, assemble the body and the head. It'll take a rubber band to hold this all together. You can definitely see the giraffe now. Once it's secured, put it into a sitting position. There it is, a completed giraffe. The next is a teddy bear. Maybe a bulldog? Not sure. The legs and body kind of the same as all the others. It's like the head and tails are the complicated stuff. Some of these folds are a little bit like a magician. The folding's not too bad, but when you go and you pull it and snug up the ears, it's kind of like, whoa, slow down a bit. Roll it all down, fold it, twist it, pull it. And of course, those eyeballs really add a lot to it. This one's gonna need a rubber band to hold everything together. Anyway, there's 5 cute animals. With a ton of practice, you might be able to do them too.